So what do you do when the game is rigged? When the board is tilted and every move you make is checkmate before you even blink? How do you survive a war that is sharper than your instinct, slicker than your conscience, and shrewder than your soul? If you don't play that game, you get played. If you try to stay pure, you get ignored. And if you trust too easily, you get burned. So what's the answer? Do you become a wolf to survive the wolves? Or is there another way? Welcome to the band of survivors. You walk into rooms where smiles are currency and trust is traded like stock. Everyone got an angle. You show up with a heart on your sleeve and a dream in your chest. You thought they value your insights. Turns out they preferred your silence. But it is not that you're naive. You see what's going on. You're just too stubborn enough to believe that integrity still matters. So let's talk about survival. Not in the wild, but in boardrooms, in relationship, in a church, in a system built to exploit the innocent and reward the manipulative. Jesus never lied to us. I'll send you out like sheep among wolves. Translation: the world is not fair. It is not soft. It is not safe. He didn't stop there. Be wise as serpent and innocence as dove. Wisdom, not street smart, not hustle culture, not fake it till you make it. Wisdom that discerns without destroying, that sees the trap but chooses not to become the trapper. That knows how to move through the fire and not become an arsonist. Because survival is not just about staying alive, it's about staying true. Well, let me tell you something. Surviving a shrewd world doesn't mean becoming like it. It means learning how to move like water through it. Fluid, adaptable, but never shapeless in spirit. Yes, you will need discernment. Yes, you will need boundaries like battlements. But you also need to guard the parts of you they love to twist. Your warmth, your tenderness, your belief in beauty. Because in a world where manipulation is mistaken for mastery, your heart is the real battlefield. Let's be honest. Good people get hurt. Kindness gets taken advantage of. The faithful, they get left unread, while the thirsty get promoted. But hear me, God is not asking you to be naive. He's calling you to be dangerously discerning. This is not about playing dumb. It's about choosing what kind of cunning you will. Because there's a wisdom that is serpentry, but not sinister. And a gentleness that is still treaded. There's a massive difference between having a soft heart and a soft mind. Being like Christ doesn't mean being blind. It means being brilliant in love, bold in truth, strategic in obedience. The serpent in the Garden of Eden deceived, but Christ, he crushed his head by wisdom, not by shrewdness. So no, you don't need to match the wall's cunning. You need to transcend it. In a world that sharpens its fangs in every boardroom, platform, and pulpit, let your integrity be the edge they don't see coming. Even Jesus said, "Be wise as serpent, gentle as doves." He sent lambs into wolves' den, not with swords, but with clarity, with purpose. So no, You don't need to survive this world by outsharping the sharpest. You survive it by walking so rooted, so grounded in who you are that even the coldest room can chill your flame. So here it is. You walk into rooms where people are 10 steps ahead of you in schemes, but you have something greater: peace. You will be underestimated because you refuse to manipulate, but you have something deeper: favor. You will look foolish to the shrewd, but in time, wisdom will outlive them all. Because this is not just about survival, this is about becoming the person the system can't swallow. And when you walk in divine wisdom, you won't just survive the wall, you will rebuild it. We were never meant to just exist. We are born to endure, to overcome, to walk through the fire, come out refined, not reduced. In a world that rewards shrewdness and punishes sincerity, you are choosing a higher path, a narrow road, an ancient way, a Jesus way. Remember, the wall might be loud, but the truth whispers. The wall might be fast, but wisdom walks. The wall might deceive, but our God never does. So hold your ground, speak with love, move with purpose, and never forget, you are not alone. You are part of a remnant in a generation marked by grace, sealed by fire, and built to survive. This is your tribe. This is your story. Thank you once again. We are a band of survivors. Until next time, stay rooted, stay ready, and stay bold.